How to blur a video background in CapCut on laptop or PC 2025 updated. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a blur effect to your video in CapCut on PC. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Once your video is ready, click on Effects in the toolbar at the top of the screen. CapCut offers several blur effects, so you'll need to choose the one that fits your needs. Select the blur effect you want to use. Next, drag the effect to your video in the timeline. You can adjust the length of the blur effect by dragging its edges to match the part of the video or the entire video where you want the blur to appear. For more control over the blur's placement, you can use masking options. There are different types of masks available, but the pen and brush masks are the most effective for this. The pen mask lets you draw a custom shape around the area you want to blur, while the brush mask is perfect for adding blur to specific spots or sections. Note that the blur effect and certain mask types may require a Pro subscription. Once you're happy with how the blur looks, click on Export at the top right to save your video. And that's how you add a blur effect to your video in CapCut on PC. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.